Here are wiper blade refills for Toyota. Our car is a 2021 Toyota Camry, and I'll show the part numbers here. But you can get just the rubber refill, and so I wanted to show how to switch it. The only thing that holds it in is there's a recess here that clips in on this side. So if you look at it from here, you see it gets a little bit wider right here. So that's the part you have to pop out. I already did this one. It's a little bit difficult on the old one if it's been on there for a long time, but this is old rubber, so if you have to tear it to get it out, that's fine. But it'll slide out all the way, and then there's a metal piece that goes through on both sides of the rubber insert. You have to transfer that to the new rubber insert. So what I did is I lined it up and then removed it from one side, just kind of keeping the direction the same, and then slide it in to the new one. And then the other side, make sure that, oh, it starts to come up, that's okay. So you got to get them both in there, so maybe it's better to do them at the same time like this. Okay, so now I've got it back in, and working backwards, there's a groove here that you want to put each of these clips into. Okay, and then the last one. But then you're gonna have to get this into that recess. So you can just push it in there, and so now it's locked in. And we have the replacement in. So I ordered these on eBay. Seemed to work pretty well, and you get to keep the original Toyota frame for your windshield wiper.